Hi guys, it's Delia. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Spring is finally here. Woohoo! And if you guys are too, give this video a thumbs up. So today I have a project share of the spring decorations I made this year to decorate my home. And you guys know me, all in a budget. 95% of the items I used are from Dollar Tree and the 99 cents only store. The rest are from Walmart, Target, and items I already had on hand. And here I'm showing you some of the items I used. And these DIYs are pretty easy to make, pretty much self-explanatory. So I thought I'd show them to you through a slideshow. And if you have any questions about the items I used or what I did, let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching and enjoy!